Guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to fix unvisible WhatsApp notifications in FAIRPHONE 4. So at the start, always check your DND mode. So open the top menu and look for the additional mode icon. Now check that you have this feature deactivated. Little obvious, I know, but sometimes you can miss it, so just check it. After that, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and go to the app info. Now select the notifications, check that you have this switcher in the activate position and go to the additional settings in the app. Then check that you have activated the high priority notifications here and here, like on my phone. Then go back. As you can see, we have all of the switchers, so turn them all to the active position, and after that go back. Now check the mobile data and Wi-Fi. You have to turn on the background data and unrestricted data usage. After that, go to the storage and cache and try to clear cache files of your WhatsApp app. After that, if you still don't have your notifications, try to clear all the apps, so it's the storage, and just delete. After that, you have to log in again to the WhatsApp account and check your notifications. Remember to make the backup before. If you still don't have your alerts, go to the settings and try to reset your network settings. So go to the system and choose reset options. Tap the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, choose reset settings and tap on the reset settings button. After that, look again. And in the last tip, try to update your system. So go to system update. If you have an update, just install it by this button, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.